guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into 3D printing, photography, drones, tech, apparently swimming pools, and whatever interests me, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. Summer is coming and the pool is back in position. Last year I had some small issues on the noise of the water filter because we switched to a bigger one. This year we also have a fountain that needs more pressure. So what I wanted to do is to try and understand if I can put foam inside, like sound barrier proof and some, like, you know, layers to contain the sound. I picked up some material from the hardware store. Let's see if I can manage to bring sound down. The situation in the studio is this one. Look. It is loud, guys. So if your neighbor complains or if the water filter is pissing you off and you can hear it right from inside your bedroom and it's annoying you, this can be a good hack. What you need is some soundproofing carpets. I found that in the hardware store. They basically put on the bottom of the video conferences rooms, like to keep the sound isolated. And at the same time I picked up some glass wool. In Italian they call it lanavro. This is like very sophisticated material. It tends to basically attach all the sound waves and keep them compressed, so there's no reverber and no vibration. I'm not like pretty satisfied yet because, as you see, the inside walls are still empty. I need to understand how to create some frame to keep in place some other wool glass in order for the vibration not to propel too much. Now let's check out the decibels with the cover on top and everything closed. That's impressive. That's almost 10 decibels less. But something you need to take into consideration is the noise of the street. Basically, the noise of the street is like constant, and it goes from 40 to 60 decibels, as you can see here. Am I satisfied of the work? Let's say I'm 70% satisfied of the work because it's not finished yet. Again, I need to create a frame to put some more sound suppression filters, a little bit of wool, and some other carpets. But for the rest, for the moment, I'm pretty happy with that. Smash the like button, guys, if you like the video. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.